The Indigenous Australian Engineering School is a subset of the Science and Engineering Outreach team here at Curtin. The program's main aim is to recruit and bring in Indigenous folks from across the country that are of school-going age, to expose them to a number of engineering disciplines that we have here at Curtin, as well as related careers in science. In so doing, creating opportunities for Indigenous young engineers and scientists to actually see what their futures could hold in the science and engineering world. The school has been running for a number of years, and we are really proud to see that the program has reached a stage of maturity where the complete determination of the program, its curriculum, the activities that the students will undertake are 100% led by previous First Nations participants of the program. And we're really extra proud to say that within this 15th year we've managed to achieve full self-determination and the full direction of the program being led by folks from the First Nations communities within the STEM and science and engineering world. One of the greatest impacts of the program is the perpetual motion and the life cycle that it actually creates. Young folks are able to come into the program, see themselves through the mentors, then go out and embark on a career, on a qualification in the STEM area, thus leaving the education world and going out and making a huge difference in the world out there. So we believe that this program is something that is embracing the two kinds of learning, a Western style learning and an Indigenous knowledge learning, that will bring a change in the way all Australians see science and see the future of science and technology.